So today I was thinking about adding this here. This is a pulley set from RC4 Drive, and I'm thinking about adding that onto the front of that today. And I could do it while it's just sitting in the chassis here, but I'm kind of thinking it might be a good excuse to make a little engine stand, workshop styles tools. So I think I'm going to do that today instead of working on this build. Should be fun. Could be handy if I get more of these things, and I'm kind of thinking that's probably going to happen because they are pretty sweet. Alright then, let's get to it. The engine stand looks alright. It's should be about the right scale. Here's the wee guy standing next to it. So it's about hip, same height as the hip, so it should be about right. It has this attached plate here, comes off the back of the V8 engine, and so it's only held on with 2 screws, which is nice and easy. And a wing nut would have done the trick, but I didn't have any M6 wing nuts, so I just knocked this out. And a couple of washers, lock washers, so you can loosen it off and you know, turn it upside down, work on the bottom, work on the side, that sort of thing. So probably the next thing to do, because at the moment it doesn't have any casters, I think the next thing I'm going to do is put some casters on it. I'm thinking about just using these old bearings that I've seized up from bashes and stuff like that, wheel bearings. I think that'll be close enough. I don't want to get too carried away with it, so this will work good. It's pretty neat. So yeah, not bad for a day's mucking around in the workshop. So if the mood strikes me today, it's the next day now, it's Sunday. If the mood strikes me, I'll try and add some casters on the bottom. Yeah, cheers for watching, guys. Catch you later.